Hi everyone, my name is Cooper with the Cohen Group Northwest. Today I'll be answering some questions about myself so you can get to know me a little bit better. Let's get into it. I grew up in Edmonds, Washington. There's Cooper, the pooper scooper. There's Duper. There's Dupe, Blooper, Super Duper Cooper. People catch on pretty fast that my name rhymes with pooper and poop. So that was like a big thing growing up. My first job was at Baskin-Robbins scooping ice cream, and I was 16. The first CD I ever owned was Blink-182, Take Off Your Pants and Jacket. Super speed. With that, it would probably have to go along with some like endurance too, because I feel like if I tried to run super far, I'd be winded. Chicken divan, which is a dish that my mom makes. It's like rice, chicken, and like, not really a curry sauce, but something along those lines. I would bring a satellite phone or a satellite radio, some snacks like a granola bar, and just one granola bar, and an inflatable mattress with a built-in pump. My family, definitely, because they're there for me no matter what. This is probably the most you'll ever hear me talk. Thanks for watching, and see you later.